Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the high contrast mode on this device. For this, simply go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Then here you can see the option vision enhancements. Okay. Then here you can see the option high contrast theme. Tap on this one. So here you can see now this is disabled. If you want to enable, then you can select two options, yellow, blue. So according to your choice, you can select either yellow or blue. So here I am going to select this one, yellow. You can see. Now we need to download this one. Tap on download. Just wait for a few seconds to complete this process. Yeah. You can easily apply the theme on this device. The high contrast theme. Yeah, we successfully applied that yellow, black, high contrast theme on this device. Okay, so it will improve the screen visibility using high contrast mode. So this feature makes text and icons easier to see, right? So simply in this way, we can enable high contrast mode on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.